How to use Claude Code in Visual Studio Code. If you want AI help you directly inside your editor, the Claude Code extension lets you review code, refactor, debug, and chat with Claude without leaving Visual Studio Code. So let me show you how you can use it. And the first step is I'm going to open the claude.ai page. So claude.ai, and if you are here, you want to go to your profile and you want to click on Get Apps and Extensions. And from here you can download or install Claude in Visual Studio Code. So you just have to click on this install next to it. And this should redirect you to this marketplace from Visual Studio Code where you can click on install. And make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. If you don't have it, you can click on get it now. From here you can download it. So I'm gonna go with to continue. And now you want to make sure to allow opening Visual Studio Code from the browser. I'm gonna open it. And it's going to redirect you to this page or extension where you can click on simply install, trust publisher and install. Now it's going to show you some introduction so you can check those things. And after that, you want to click on mark done. And now to start using it, you just have to click on this anthropic icon or Claude in top right corner over here. You can close this chat. And now what we want to do, we want to connect our account. So there are three ways how you can connect it. You can use claude.ai subscription if you have pro plan like me. So I'm gonna go with this one, or you can, let's say, use Anthropic console if you are paying for your API usage. You can use this as well. And then you have Bedrock, Foundry, or Vertex. So you can choose what you want. Click on authorize. And now you can start using it. So this is a quick video how you can install Claude Code in your VS Code. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.